Do you want to know how you can upload the local files or access the local files on your Spotify account? If yes, then this video is specially for you. Hello and welcome to 1-2-Step. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can upload songs or local files to your Spotify account. So let's go ahead and start the video without wasting any time. The first step is to open Spotify and log into your account. You will see this type of interface. Go ahead and click on your profile, which is here on the top right hand side, and click on Settings. After you do so, scroll a bit down and find your library, and it says Show Local Files. Go ahead and enable it, and you can see your local files will be available here on the left hand side of your screen. If you scroll a bit down, you can also add the source. Right now it is added as Downloads and Music Library, but you can click on Add a Source and you can find your song. So let's go ahead and find your song. I'll go to my song sample here and I'll go to my folder over here and click on OK. After I do so, I'll go to Local Files and this might appear here. So let's go ahead and search for the song I want to upload. As you can see, all of these songs are from my local file. I'll scroll a bit down and you can see that this is the sample which I want to upload on Spotify. So I'll just go ahead and click on Add to Liked Songs and I'll go to Add to Playlist, and I can also add to the playlist over here. So as I click on Local Files, you can see that the playlist has been added. You can also click on Add to Playlist and click on any of the playlists which you have created. So if you want to make your playlist private or public, you can do that also, and other people can also hear the song which you have uploaded. So guys, this is how easily you can upload the local files or your own songs on Spotify. I hope this video was helpful for you. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.